Hello, happy Thursday, everyone. Today's assignment is to complete both sides of the worksheet, the rock cycle. So here we have the rock cycle with the big diagram, and then over here we have the 10 sentences, and I will be reading it to you. Feel free to pause the video whenever you would like, and I'm going to see if I can zoom in on here. So please put your name on this. The rock cycle. Understanding main ideas. Use these terms to fill in the blanks in the figure below. Metamorphic rock, sedimentary rock, magma and lava, igneous rock, and sediment. I did add those into the word bank because I gave you the words for down here as well. So this picture right here, what rock comes from volcanic activity? Then erodes. What are all these little pieces of rock called? Deposition occurs. What type of rock is usually found in layers? It's very difficult to see here, but this is heat and pressure. What type of rock happens after heat and pressure? And then if this were to melt, or this rock were to melt, or this rock were to remelt, we would end up back in here. What type of rock would go here? Number 6, the rock cycle builds, destroys, and changes the rock in Earth's what? Okay, please remember you can go up and you can use one of these words, maybe if you cross them off as you use them. Number 7, the conservation of material involves both blank and blank forces. Building vocabulary. Write a definition in your own words of what the rock cycle is and what plate tectonics is. Remember, I would go and look in your book for some of these. There's one or two that are not in your notes, but for those people, it starts on page 118 to 121. Pages 118 to 121. If you look at those pages, it'll help you. Pages 118 to 121. If you have your book out, it might help you answer the questions. Okay, I'm going to flip it over now. Remember, you can feel free to pause the video and get an answer. Fill in the blank to complete each statement. Here is your word bank. Number 1, the series of processes that slowly change Earth's rock from one kind to another is called the rock what? Okay, it's funny that they have 2 of these in here. I'll have to fix that. Sorry about that. Number 2, plate movements help drive the rock cycle by helping to form blank, the source of igneous rocks. Number 3, deep beneath the surface, blank and pressure can change sedimentary rock to metamorphic rock. Through the process of blank, metamorphic rock can become magma. Sediment piles up on the ocean floor through the process of blank. Helped you out a little bit here. Remember, if the statement is true, write true. If the statement is false, change the underlined word or words to make the statement true. So the statements are either true or the word that I've provided for you. Let's see how much closer I can get. There we go. The process that breaks the process that breaks down granite into sediment is deposition. If deposition is breaking down, then it's true. If it's not, then it is weathering. Number 7, there are many pathways by which rocks move through the rock cycle. It's either true or 1. Number 8, as rock moves through the rock cycle, material is not lost or gained. It's either true or is lost or gained. Forces of the rock cycle, operate inside Earth, not at Earth's surface. This statement is either true or they operate inside the Earth and at Earth's surface. And number 10, the collision of continental plates can push up a mountain range, after which weathering and erosion begin. So it's either true or weathering plates. All right, remember what I said, you guys, if you log on to homework help after school hours, Miss Cup and I'm listed under 7th and 8th grade, but I'll be there if you happen to click on that one. Miss Cup will be able to help you, and you can call my room up until 3:30 if you want. I don't mind that, and I hope you guys have a great Thursday.